It's the Secret Santa time of year again, and I am excited to participate in a custom and ornament exchange with these fine YouTube woodworkers. We all exchanged names, and I drew the amazing McMath Woodworks. I wasn't sure what to build, so I went online and studied McMath Woodworks' channel until I stumbled across this little gem.
This cut was made possible by the all-new DeWalt caffeine-powered handsaw. You just hold this thing securely in your hand, and the caffeine does everything for you. It's awesome. You gotta try one. Not available in stores.
Bam! The inspiration arrived. I would use my laser. Hot coffee in the Santa mug. Woo! Here's what we're gonna need to make that ornament. The balsa, it is an eighth of an inch thick. I have a piece of mahogany, eighth of an inch thick. I have some super glue. I have tape measure, a square. I have some fabric. Yes, we are gonna cut some fabric on the laser. Some blue tape, some scissors, pencils, all that, blah, blah, blah. Safety goggles for the laser. This is the laser that goes on the Onefinity. There are 3 different ones currently. There is a 7 watt, 14 watt, and a 24 watt. I wish I had the 24 watt Santa, Mrs. Claus, 24 watt laser. I'll cut through about anything, but this cuts and engraves, so we're gonna do that on this. Cut through this 1/8, no problem. Anyway, let's get making a ornament. Santa mug, love it. I'm just going to show you quick how this is going to go together. So first, this goes here. And this is the closest plaid that I could find to McMath Woodworks logo. So it's going to have to work. And this one's going to lay on top of here. Just lay on top of there. Of course, I'll kind of square it up, and that's what it's going to look like. But we're going to put some shellac on these 2 pieces before we glue things up, and I'm going to right now, to start with, I'm going to glue this down. So you're just going to put it on there. Nice coat. You're going to let it dry for about 30 seconds or so. Just let it sit and dry. Now that it's dry, we're going to take our fabric and it's not dry, it's just tacky. We're going to very carefully take this and lay it right on there. And it should be a pretty darn close to perfect fit. there it is. Let's get a few better shots. I'm upside down here. Let's get a few better shots of this.
And now to drop off the package in the mail and wait for my gift to arrive.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Excited, excited, excited. It finally made it. Hot chocolate, Santa mug still. The ornament, finally here. Been waiting a while, finally got it. So, it's from CCC, which I'm assuming is Chris over at Custom Creative Carvings. All my CNC family, be sure to go follow him. He has a lot of great CNC videos. I'm more excited about this. Let's open it up, see what it is. Oh. Exciting, exciting, exciting. Also, as challenged, we made 3 ornaments for you without a CNC. Then we made 3 more as a bonus with a CNC. Merry Christmas from CNC. Chris, Waylon, Rowan, Jessica. Awesome. Thank you. Let's check these out and see what we got here. Oh, holy cow. Little snowman. Love it. Turn it so you guys can see it. What else do we have here? Oh, wow. Little Christmas tree. That is awesome. Turn that so you can see it. Oh, another snowman. These are awesome, guys. Oh, love it. Let's see here. Ooh, and a gingerbread. Check it out. That is fantastic. All right. Whoop, whoop. Another one hiding in there. Another gingerbread. Oh, you guys are awesome. Look at these. These are awesome. And you gave me hooks. And another gingerbread. Oh man, you guys are awesome. I love these. These are fantastic. I can't wait to see your video on how you made them. Oh man, these are so cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And everyone, go check out the rest of the videos for the ornament exchange. I'll get you some clips of these on the tree. All right. Go be great, guys. And thank you so much. I appreciate it. These are awesome. Love them.